Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into a tragic event that shook Hollywood back in 1984, the accidental death of actor John Eric Hexum. It happened while he was working on the set of a TV show called Cover Up. It's one of those accidents that really changed the way we look at safety on set, especially when it comes to using prop weapons. So, let's break down what actually happened and how this tragedy unfolded. First off, for those of you who don't know, John Eric Hexum was a rising star in the early 80s. He was known for his good looks, charisma, and for playing a secret agent on Cover Up. The show followed his character, Mac Harper, a male model turned spy. Pretty wild, right? On 12 October 1984, during a break between scenes, John Eric was on set with a revolver loaded with blank cartridges. These blanks are commonly used in film and TV because they create a realistic gunshot effect without firing actual bullets. But, and this is important, blanks can still be very dangerous. Blanks don't fire bullets, but they still use gunpowder to create an explosion, which means there's a lot of force involved. If something gets too close, or if a gun with blanks is fired at close range, that force can be deadly. Unfortunately, that's exactly what happened here. During some downtime, John Eric, probably a bit bored and joking around, picked up the revolver, pressed it to his head, and made a light-hearted remark, something along the lines of, "Let's see if this does the trick." Now, keep in mind, this was meant to be a joke. But when he pulled the trigger, the blank discharged with enough force to cause severe head trauma. Even though there was no bullet, the pressure from the blast was fatal. John Eric was rushed to the hospital and placed on life support. Sadly, the injuries were too severe. 6 days later, on 18 October 1984, he was declared brain dead. His family made the heartbreaking decision to donate his organs, which went on to save several lives. The entertainment industry was rocked by his death. Not only because of how tragic and sudden it was, but because it was a stark reminder of the dangers that can exist on set, even when everyone thinks they're safe. Since then, safety protocols around firearms and blanks have been taken much more seriously. John Eric was only 26 years old, and his potential as an actor was just starting to shine. He'd already shown he had the looks and the talent to be a major star. His death was a huge loss to the industry and, of course, to his family, friends, and fans. So, that's the tragic story of John Eric Hexum. It's a sad reminder of how quickly things can go wrong, even in a controlled environment like a TV set. But his legacy lives on, not only through his work but also through the lives saved by his organ donation and the positive changes his death brought to set safety standards. Thank you for watching, and if you found this story interesting, make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Were you familiar with John Eric's story before? And what do you think about safety on film sets today? I'd love to hear your opinions. Until next time, take care and stay safe out there.